Hello folks, you okay? This is just, I've just unboxed Easy Grip stuff, and I've got another one in basically. It's like Christmas this, isn't it? I might leave it till Christmas Day to open these, but basically what I've bought some headlight protectors for this speed triple because I'm already noticing stone chips on the front of the headlights, and because this is on PCP, the bike's PCP, I've got to keep it as well. Personally, I like to keep my bikes nice anyway, but you know, they come with a load of clauses basically saying you can't have stone chips more than X amount of millimeters across, and I'm sure no one checks that, but for sanity of myself, I like to, you know, just make sure that I'm happy myself with it. So, without further ado.
Yeah, so without further ado, I'm actually recording this time, we shall open this and then we'll do an install. Again, this is a very simple install. This is not going to take much in terms of engineering skill or prowess. KTM Duke 125 17-20, Duke 17-20 390. Hopefully it's just a box that's wrong there, but here we go. Let's have a goosey gander. Oh, that's alright, it's the right order. They've just reused the box. That's pretty cool. Right, so essentially all these are the plastic covers to go outside the headlights to stop the brunt of the chips getting up on them. Now I did reach out to PowerBronze to see if they wanted to help the channel, get a discount code, but no response. They don't like to answer to people. Got the street triple, speed triple, 2021 headlight protectors pair. Oh man, you know that smell? I don't know if you've seen the Easy Grip video yet, but the smell that I was talking about, like smells of hospitals, like the smell of the tape that they use. This comes with 2 packages. They give you these guys. That's why it smells of hospitals, because they use 3M, and 3M is what they use in hospital. I kind of like it, to be honest, antiseptic kind of smell. Basically, they give you these Velcro, and you Velcro them. So you've got Velcro one side sticky pads and you Velcro them together. In my opinion, I've seen these before and they're a little bit thick. They could have used thinner Velcro in my opinion, but let's not, come on, let's try not to cut the thing. Well, let's try and cut the thing, just not the thing. And there are staples here, so I've got to be very careful. Right, so there's one. Oh wow, they're very substantial. They are very substantial. Can you see that in the camera? I'm not sure how much you're going to pick up in the camera, but it's very thick. Yeah, it's plastic. It's a very, very thick, very well-formed plastic, actually. Look at that. I'm very impressed with that quality. Look at the way that it's been cut and then formed. You know, that's not a flimsy piece of plastic by any means. There's, I tell you man, there's a market of shit out there for motorbike products, especially coming out of China. And then obviously there's the other one. Very, very impressive that. So there we go. You've got your 2 headlights there. And all you do is you stick these onto the actual headlights and then inside here and then stick them on. So we'll go through the prep of that now. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. We'll go out and install them. So stay tuned. Right, so folks. If you're wondering, I'm recording everything here on the same fucking day, hence the clothes. I'm not just sitting in the same clothes all the time, I do promise. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick on these little Velcro M3 dots to where I want on the headlight. Essentially, obviously the task here is that you need to be able to stick 2 together like this. Little poppy rivet Velcro kind of things, but they're more plastic. The best way for me thinking about it doing this is to add both on here. So I'm going to stick 2 together, stick them on, go over to the bike, unpeel, and then stick that straight onto the bike. I did try see if I could cut them in half, but it's a bit of a failure. Didn't turn out very well, that, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick with this for now. I can always get more of these in the future if I would like. So one here, one here, one here and one here, but I'm not sure if that's going to be enough to actually hold it. I can always add more on, it's not the end of the world, but we'll just try that for now. What I want to do is just test a little bit of this out before I go putting it on my headlights. I'm going to let that dry for a bit, and then of course we're going to whack out the heat gun. And I'm also going to go out and clean the headlights on the motorbike, because you need 2 equal surfaces of equaling cleanliness. There's one, and there's t'other. Now we're gonna get our favourite tool out. It's not a penis, Mr. Heat Gun again. I don't want to heat this up too much because I obviously don't want to melt the plastic of this, and I also don't want to melt this guy either. Do 1 each time. It's quite hot, that, actually. Doesn't take much. Oh, bollocks. What a twat. Very nice and tacky, that. So, we shall stick one in the top corner there. Right. Put him over here. Squish that down. I've actually burnt the carpet because it's that hot. Heat, man, with these kind of things is just amazing. That'll do. That'll do. Right, I don't think I'm going to use that particular strength alcohol, at least on the headlight. What I am going to do is I have some of these left over. So I've got like a 70% one here, so I'm just going to go out and clean the headlight with this. There we go. You can see that chip there, look, already. There's one there as well. Right, they're pretty clean. You can see scratches in that already, look. Right, so now as clean as they're ever going to be. So, plan is, we'll peel these off, and then we'll heat this up a little bit, and then rush off outside, and then put it on. Not too much again, but we are going to rush. So, right, line it up. I think that's about it. There, to be honest. Oh, well, they're all stuck on now, so you don't have a choice. They're all stuck on. They're all stuck on. You used to quite easily take them off if you need to clean it. There you go. Bit worried about them, to be honest, because... Right, next one. Yeah, they aren't the best looking things on earth, to be honest, and I'm not sure how they're going to affect the actual beam itself. I'm not sure if these are the best way of putting them on and sticking them, leaving them there, to be honest, because they're a little bit bulky. They're sticking out quite a lot, although you can take them off quite easily. And you don't have the downfalls of Velcro, where Velcro will get dirty and wet. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes for now. I'm not particularly liking the look of it, but it's not for looks, is it? Right. Try and match this up as best as possible. Let's see what happens. Right, squashy squash. Right. There we go. Try to get it out of the way of the beam as possible. Hopefully you shouldn't have too much there. There you go. Look at them from the side. At the front. They cover the DRLs a little bit. From far away, can you tell? Yeah, a little bit. So there you go. Oh, right folks, there you have it. Bloody hell. It is cold. 3 degrees outside, could you believe that? Again, still Christmas. Still got Wraith discount in the description below. So there you go, what do you think? I reckon I'm not disappointed, I'm just a bit, I need to find a different way to adhere them. I'm thinking of those little glue dots. The thickness of the protectors themselves is fucking huge. It's about 6 mil. We'll see. They're there for protection. They're not there to, well, ideally they're there to look good and protect. Whatever. Does a condom look good? It's a shit analogy that, isn't it, eh? But at the end of the day, they're there for a reason. I've ridden a few hundred mile on the bike and already the front headlights are getting peppered with stone chips and stuff. So I think this is a sensible move. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that. We'll come back in a few weeks or so and see how they're doing. I can't see them being horrible. The great thing is I can kind of just take them off as and when to clean the actual headlight if shit gets trapped underneath, but I would like them to be a little bit closer to the surface. But then again, at the same time, if they were too close and it was bumping around, it could chafe and scratch the headlight. So I don't know, we'll figure something out. We'll just keep it like that for now. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, me rambling on again. Thank you so much for watching. So if you could, no forcing you, but if you could, give us a like and a subscribe. for more content like this. Until the next time, I've already said Merry Christmas about 5 times today on these videos. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, folks, sort them out.